What's up, fam? So I am going to show you guys something I'm building here. Basically, I have a client that I'm working with currently, and part of it is like consolidating his contacts in one spot so that we can then do work with that. We can send emails, we can send SMS messages, basically helping promote his thing and staying in touch with his database. But the problem is that most people have like a messy database. Most business owners, it's like they have some contacts in their phone, they have contacts in their email, they might have contacts in a CRM somewhere, or a list of leads they got from a campaign they ran a long time ago. Or they have a sheet from like an in-person event with a bunch of, emails, names, phone numbers. And so what we need to do is we need to get all these contacts and we need to get them into one nice spot, and we need to clean them. And so what I proposed is basically having a web app where we can import all the different sources, right? So from his email, from his CRM, from his phone, and then the system will automatically find contacts that look similar. It's like, oh, these two contacts look the same. Maybe you have like two John Smiths in your phone as a contact, but one of them is like a different email. And so we need to merge those into one record. And so basically we import all the lists into this one thing, and then it starts really simply. I'll show you here once it's built, because you can see it's currently just being built right now here. It's pretty cool because what it will look like once it's complete is like, it will just show like, it'll go through each contact and you can select like some basic info about them. So if you know where they are, like, BC, Canada, outside Canada, or I don't know, you can select this as a friend, a colleague, a lead, an employee. Like, you can select the category as well. And so you can run through your list really quickly. So you spend like an hour just going through the list, going through this nice UI, and then it will organize everything for you. You have a nice cleaned master database. I'm pretty excited about this. I'm going to be doing it on my own lists, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once I have a live demo here. All right, so this is what the platform looks like. So I basically imported my master contact list. What I did was I exported my personal Gmail contacts, my phone contacts, my business account Gmail contacts, and my Facebook list of friends. And I had Claude merge all of them. You don't have to merge them, but I had Claude merge all of them into a master contact list. But like, you could just do one at a time. So you could upload the individual files to it, and it would merge any duplicate contacts. So it's just building in a button so I can start the triage right from this. But if I go up here and I just type in triage, then we should start the queue. Boom. So this person doesn't have a name, but we have their email. I don't know who that is. I'm just gonna say Canada because it says Alberta. Next. Okay, so it's bugging out. One sec. So this person, I don't know who they are, so I'm gonna go like that. Don't know. Next. This person I know, they are a friend. Canada. Actually, there's something wrong here. And I'll just do some voice dictation for Claude here. I noticed that the custom fields I added, like the status in terms of lead, client, partner, stuff like that, I don't see it on the triage. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So you basically can go through and you can select, who it is, customer, friend, whatever, how valuable, Canada, what country they're in, I may not know. Do they send referrals? You want to set them on your newsletter. You can add a company or organization. I can do like voice to text. Lordco. Boom. Anything else about them? I met her at a coffee shop once. Something like that. And then that you basically just run through your whole database that way. So I'm currently working through my database doing this, and it seems to be pretty good.